If you want to use the NLP profile text custom step, join me in this walkthrough. You execute this at an early stage in the data preparation phase, right after you have ingested your text data. We start in SAS Studio, where you'll design a flow. You can choose to run this flow as is or even as a scheduled program in future. Click on this plus sign to open a new flow. Think of this as a canvas where you can design your text profiling processes. The first step is to make a connection to our in-memory engine called Cloud Analytics Services, CAS for short. To do this, drag a SAS program onto the canvas and type the following. SS here is the name of your session. The second statement helps make predefined locations, known as CAS libs, available to the engine. Let's shift screens quickly to the GitHub repository containing this step. The first thing you do is to download the step and upload it to your SAS via environment. The repo provides instructions for the same. Continue to keep this link handy because we'll refer to it for the names of our output tables. Back to SAS Studio. Once you've uploaded the custom step, you can access the same from the Shared tab in the Steps section. Drag this onto the canvas. Next, drag a table onto the canvas. Point this table to your input dataset. There's an example dataset called News, which is now available as a CAS table. The repo provides instructions on how to make that available. This CAS table, public.news, is what you enter as your input table. Connect the input table to the custom step. Go ahead and expand all the output ports of this custom step. Right-click, expand, and then right-click, add output port, and select all the 5 ports corresponding to the 5 output tables that this custom step provides you. Next, we add tables to each of the output ports. Right-click on the port and select Add a Table. Do this for all the open output ports. In order to make it easy to work with this flow, please feel free to rearrange the output tables so that it's easier to interact with them. With 5 output tables, I find it easier to stack them as you see here on screen. This way they don't run over each other. What do we name these output tables? Here's where the repo comes in useful again. A suggested list of names has been provided for each of these output tables. And if you use these names as they are, it facilitates an automated update of a visualization downstream. The first one is the main output table called public.text_profile_output_table. It's a single observation table actually, contains all summary statistics. Public refers to the location or the library. Text_profile_output_table refers to the name. If you copy and paste the name, as I've done, you'll find it easier since the rest of the names have a similar pattern. You need to change just part of the name. So we have document, intermediate, sentence, and finally token. You're almost there. Click on the custom step again and you get to select the variable containing the unique ID for the table, key in this case, and then text is the name of the column which contains the text you wish to profile. And you're set. Run the custom step, right click, run node, or you can even click on the play button at the top of the flow. Remember to save your flow. You can reuse the same or even schedule it as a job later on. It's run. It's always pretty quick. Go ahead, take a quick look at the output if you like. Click on the table, preview data. I find it easier to access a report which has automatically been updated after I've run this flow. Go to the main menu, explore and visualize. This takes you to Visual Analytics, which is our reporting application. Navigate to All Reports, Public, NLP Text Profile, Reports, and you can open the Text Profile report. And there you go. You got your latest text profile report automatically updated. An explanation of all the pages in this report is located in the blog that accompanies this video. Have fun using the NLP Profile Text custom step.